We are live. We are live. Are you guys ready for the live? Whoa, Trent, you're in landscape and portrait mode? Whoa. Trent, you know that we're in landscape and portrait mode?
Yeah, I think Julie added it.
Oh,
yeah, that's me. Sorry.
Whoa.
Yeah, it goes out to more people that way.
Yeah.
I see it now. Yo. I'm excited to be here. Kick back and rock and roll. We only got 21 seconds till the next ad comes in. So our two guys are ready for the ad. Kick it. Because you know, one less ad means you're one more ad closer to seeing our beautiful mugs. Bounce, chicka, bounce, down. Trent, what are you doing? Trent!
In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal. Anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer! Not financial advice! We're not liable for any personal financial decisions! Yes, this segment was created for entertainment purposes only! So thank you for coming on in!
Who did that sound?
Not me.
What is up, guys? Welcome.
That is wild.
You like that?
Yes.
You know,
Hello.
I just wing it every single time. Just to
So
get
was that you? That was.
Yeah.
Welcome everyone.
Welcome everybody to the Brian Schaefer Show. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
It's banana time.
Banana zone.
You guys brought your bananas, right?
It's funny because the bit that we do on our show is, when I plug for subscribers, I say, guys, YouTube is a hard grind. And, we would deeply appreciate if you subscribe
Smash
to the
that
channel.
golden like button.
Yeah.
And I tell people it'll touch T-Square right in his banana zone, which just
There you
happens
go.
to be his heart.
The banana hammock zone.
Ring-a-ding-ding. Yeah, I do not have no hammock zone. Thank you very much. We just got the banana zone. It's right here in my heart. Guys, on today's show, we have a special guest, Miss Julie Hennis. Welcome in, Julie.
Thank you for having me. I had my Freaky Friday episode 6 of the Julian Joxie show earlier today. Still a little freaky. Sorry, my apologies.
No worries. Guys, today on the most hydrated show, I got me a Pizza Pals IPA. I had to read that twice. And it's a great IPA. I wasn't sure what to expect from the can art, like two Ninja Turtles designed as pizza slices.
Oh,
hey,
nice.
It's a great pour. And just for daily, I got me my favorite beer glass. So we let ASMR pop. Bam. Bada bing, bada boom. Here's the glass, Daily, just for you. A great old-fashioned mason jar.
Mason jar.
Yeah,
Nice.
We flip that bad boy upside down. And we just let it go. Oh, kind of go. Come on.
Yeah.
You gotta breathe. There we go.
Okay.
There we go.
There you go.
You know, it works
Like
better with the
gravity.
Guinness. When you have a Guinness, guys, it works beautifully.
There's a lot of head on that beer.
Yeah, there is.
He's pouring it pretty aggressively.
Yeah, he is pouring
Just
it very
straight
aggressively.
But you know why I
Yeah.
do this? Because if you don't give it a lot of head, the head actually in your stomach makes you bloat. And if you allow it to give a lot of head, you actually don't bloat when you drink it. You know,
I
Guys,
have
tell us-
never
tell us in the
heard
chat.
that.
Tell us in the chat, is that true about giving a lot of head?
it is true.
I've never
That's
heard
where you
that.
get two. You have two beers, pour them both at the same time. That way, one has time to breathe while you drink the other
Tell
one.
us in the chat from experience if that
But I
happens
like
to your
it
stomach
bubbly.
when you
I guess
get a lot of
that's
head.
yeah.
Yeah, well, we got a lot of people in here. Welcome in, John Legend, Chipper. We got who else? We got John
Oh, we have
Newton.
Chipper in here? Why
Mark
did I not
Dutch.
see Chipper? Oh, Chipper is in here.
Piece of mine, Lily, my
Yay, piece of
me
my
lady.
mind. Mr.
We
Bill.
have
Killed
what else?
him.
Normansberry Boyle. We have Junior Concepcion.
I'm with you, Dutchie.
Rocky
I did not
Pinto.
give my beer did not get a chance to breathe. I just go for
Hey,
it.
well, anyone that's joining us right now over there on Julie's channel, you know, thank you for being here, number one. Number two,
Follow
the
the
Blockchain
guys.
Brew Show, which is T Square in my show. We're over there on YouTube at the Blockchain Brew, and we are undisputably the most hydrated crypto community on YouTube. So give us a like and a sub.
Blocky, thank you for not being here. Thank you for not being here. I love
I'm bringing you guys Sleepier Machines today from North Park Beer Company. And this is a triple dry hop, hazy double IPA, coming in at 8.5% on the dot.
There you go.
Nice.
Another ASMR pop.
Mark says he doesn't even drink his beer sometimes. He just swallows the can.
And hey, what's up,
Deep throat
Shawnee?
the can. That's nice. Sorry.
There's our pour.
All right.
As opposed
like
to our
that.
rich.
Hey, get
I
some
like-
head on there, Trent.
I like your bougie glass too.
Yeah. You know, you got to have the tulip glass, you know? The tulip glass. Hey,
Yes.
Southern California, if you're ever in the Anaheim area or even the Torrance area, Monkish Brewing Company,
Oh, okay.
they don't even pay me to say this, but they are the king of hazy IPAs. There's no contest. And the funny story about it is they did not start out doing hazy IPAs. They started out doing Belgian styles. And the owner was very against doing hazies because he was anti-hype at the time. And he had a sign up in the brewery that said anti-hazy club. And so that he was only doing Belgian styles, and then he caved to the peer pressure one day, brewed a hazy style. Everyone loved it.
Oh,
And then they were like, you know, it was backed by popular demand ever since. So.
how it usually works. All right, you guys, I have to tell you what I have here. This is, you guys, you're going to be so impressed. This is the First Street purified drinking water. This is the Smart and Final brand that you get. It was like $3.99 for the case. Anyway, this stuff slaps. So I'm going to have this straight. It's chilled. It's served chilled. Yeah, so, wait, hold on. I got to get my ASMR. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Actually, you guys
Super.
know I'm California sober, so there's one for you. I usually don't do that on my show. The guys know I don't usually do that on my show. Yes, I did that.
Hey, no, that's all good.
He said, "What percent is that?" This is probably like an 82%. This is a straight indica, because I like it strong. This is kiwi berry mist.
Hey.
Ace Ultra Premium.
Fire,
Yes.
man. That's good flavor right there. We got water just rolled off the solar panels coming in from Mark. Chipper, let's go, baby. We're unique characters. I like that. Shout out to subscriber 685. I have a couple news videos, like 30 seconds long, that Coinbase did today. You guys want to jump into them?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get after it. I'm going to turn off the music.
Got you.
And I'm going to... Oh, you already got me.
Um,
Thank you, Trent. All right, here we go. Mr. Brian Armstrong himself. Guys, I found out he actually waxes his head every day right after he shaves
Does
it.
he really? I wonder if he like greases it up.
He does. That's why it shines like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a special head gel.
Which actually did enable
Soul glow.
stablecoin rewards to happen. The banks had their own concerns, and we reached a good outcome in the Genius Act. And now the banks really are coming and trying to undermine the president's crypto agenda. I mean, these are the same banks that debanked him and his family, right? And they want to come in and say that Americans should not be able to actually earn more money on their money. They're trying to protect their own profit margins, taking money out of the pockets of hardworking average Americans and putting it into the coffers of these big banks that are hitting record profits. And so our view is that there should be a level playing field where banks and crypto companies can lean into stablecoin legislation as an opportunity. And that includes paying rewards to Americans so that they can earn more money on their money.
Shots fired right there from Brian. He's like, these are the banks that debanked Trump himself. He's all calling them out. And now he's still trying to undermine the Clarity Act. My thing about the Clarity Act is I would love it to pass. But just like the Genius bill passed, it doesn't even take effect until 2027. And that passed back in like June last year. So my whole theory is if we get the Clarity Act, which doesn't look like it's ready, it actually won't even come out till the end of 2027 or possibly even 2028.
Won't actually come into effect.
Yeah, come into effect. Yeah, exactly. And so there's some time to say that there's another bull market on the horizon, which I think a lot of the price action we get today is reflective of that. What do you guys have to say about that video?
Well,
Just agreement, nods, and yes. Yeah.
Well, Brian Armstrong, Uncle Brian Armstrong, is definitely an alien. So when you look at the shape of his head from the side profile, Homeboy is definitely, in the extraterrestrial community. But yeah,
You want to guess his age?
no, the shape of his head. It's like the back of his head is awkwardly like,
I would guess
extruding.
46. If I were to guess
Really?
his age, I'd guess 46. Yeah.
I think he looks really young. What do you got, Trent?
43.
Oh, that was actually really good. He's 42.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
it's 43. Okay.
Dang, guys.
Yeah.
You got way
Crypto
off.
makes you
He's like he's 30 to me.
Yeah, no, I thought maybe he was a little older. So my whole thing is I'm mad because I feel like the Clarity Act and stablecoin legislation is all just like a bait and switch. I feel like we did not get our Bitcoin strategic reserve. I feel like I'm upset about that. I feel like Cynthia Lummis is no longer seeking re-election because what she's done is enough and she's tired and they're struggling to get the Clarity Act passed. It's almost 300 pages. And when something is 300 pages long, they can exhaust everyone, add more language to it. They make all these revisions, and the more revisions they make, the more pages there are, the more convoluted it gets, then the more desperate people get to pass it. Remember, they were pushing to get this passed in December. So if they would have gone forward with passing this before the winter break, we would have this horrible legislation that was going to be taking away all of our staking rewards. So now here we are. He said, I saw some, Mark says I look like the Hulk and now I can't freaking concentrate. Okay. Yes,
She-Hulk.
I was looking very jaundicey yellow. I don't know why my light makes me look jaundicey yellow. I tried to turn up the whiteness on it and I don't know. Anyway, yes, I'm the Hulk. But yeah, so I get mad because I feel like so much of what we have been forced is just not ready. It's just not ready. And so now Brian Armstrong is saying, look, the banks are trying to take these staking rewards away from us, but what he's actually trying to do is get the same assurances that banks get to be allowed to him to basically become a bank himself. And so, which I do support that, because I think that crypto companies should be allowed to be FDIC insured if they choose to be FDIC insured. I don't know. I just get angry, you guys.
Yeah. He cracking me up because he looked like the Hulk. You know, it's funny because when me and Trent first started streaming for like 2 or 3 weeks, I couldn't figure out my lighting, and you couldn't see my teeth. It was just white glow. And I was like, dude, this is driving me nuts. I can't figure out why I look like Uncle Brian. I just look really reflective.
It's Julie's liver, okay? You guys, there's a reason I quit drinking alcohol. This is it. This is my jaundice.
So have you quit forever?
You know, I didn't want to quit forever, but when I had a couple of drinks after I quit for several months, I felt horrible the next day. So yeah. I just haven't had alcohol ever since. But I will sip like champagne, like I'll sip just to taste the bubbles again.
Yeah.
But I won't drink like a glass or anything.
Okay,
Yeah.
Fair enough. Yeah, my thing about Coinbase and, you know, basically getting banking license, they're not the only ones. What's up, D, not you? You know, we're seeing crypto.com go this direction as well. Mm-hmm. The thing that I think we need to better understand in our space is the fact that this is a two-way street. Right. And you have SoFi, which has now become the first regulated bank to offer crypto trading. That's absolutely huge. We're seeing this from both sides, no pun intended. And the crypto exchanges are getting banking licenses, or at least making a couple steps forward in getting banking licenses. But a lot of the banks are going to be offering crypto trading this year, I believe. You know, SoFi's already done it, and they've become the first regulated bank to do it. And we're going to see them doing really, really big things this year. They're going to, I know this is controversial, but I think they're actually going to pull market share away from Coinbase and crypto.com. I think that there are people that,
why is that controversial?
Well, I guess it's not, but I don't know. If you've been around in the space for, you know, a number of years, that seems weird. But I guess it's not controversial, but, you know, hey, it's just something to be aware of. So if you're into trading Coinbase stock, or has crypto.com IPO'd?
Not yet.
Yeah, I don't think so. But the other provision in there, I believe, is on like DeFi apps. And so right now there are DeFi. The DeFi sector is somewhat excluded from what is being looked at. And one of the provisions is going to require DeFi to be included under the same SEC, CFTC provisions. So I think it just opens up more. So I don't know. With what we have right now, I'd like to see us scrap it and start over, because now Brian Armstrong has come out and said big banks drafted this up. Yeah. It wasn't Cynthia Lummis and a round table of people coming together. Charles Hoskinson has said they haven't thought through the governance side of this. It's just a push by big banks at this point.
Well, I'm with you, peace of mind, when you're saying that, banks' involvement is not decentralized. This is a direction that we did not think this space was going to go 4 years ago, but it's here. And, the lines between decentralization and banks are becoming blurred. And we're entering an era where there's only going to be a few projects that are truly, championing a decentralized ethic, a decentralized ethos, And to me, that's like Bitcoin in a way, but not in terms of the holding distribution, right? Cardano has a higher Nakamoto coefficient than Bitcoin,
Right.
right? Meaning that the distribution is spread wider than Bitcoin is, right? So in my mind, Cardano, Algorand. Honestly, I don't really know of much else out there that is really
Pepe.
championing the decentralized ethic that crypto used to be about. And so crypto is changing before our eyes, and DeFi and TradFi are merging. The crypto exchanges are getting banking licenses. The banks are offering crypto trading, and the system has absorbed us. It just has. And in some ways, it's good for prices in a way. It's also completely killed our predictable cycle, I believe.
Oh, yeah.
Our predictable 4-year cycle. But if you extend your time horizon, it's going to be good for prices, I believe. But it's going to be bad for the ethos. And that's a major reason why I'm so big on Cardano, because it's one of the only places where the ethos of decentralization is still alive. And I think that is going to be an important safe haven in the future. I just do. And Cardano is not going to be the only one. Like, new projects are going to do it. Algorand is doing it. I'm probably just unaware of, of other places where it exists, but they're all going to need each other.
Right.
But yeah, anyways.
Trent, how do you guys think on the ETFs? Do we had a positive inflow or outflow today?
I'm going to say negative.
Negative? What about you, Julie? Negative, positive?
Probably positive. I don't know. I'm thinking positive.
I'm going to think negative, just slightly.
Last time I said negative, I was right, but we'll see.
Woof, negative $409 million.
Wow,
Grayscale dumping,
yeah.
Fidelity dumped 205, Arkham dumped 70, and Bitmine dumped 90 million. Pretty much, well, we had a really strong day. Wednesday? So we ended up giving half of it back, so we're still up for the week. But yeah, it was a pretty bad hammer. I mean, I'm shocked that we didn't go down even more off of that. What's Ethereum doing? Ethereum only lost 10 million from Grayscale. Grayscale is notorious dump ruiners. Only 2 million lost from Grayscale for Solana and XRP. XRP is always champion. That's right. We didn't do anything today. Actually, this is just lagging. It was a net even day. 0.00000. So XRP didn't lose. It didn't gain. So look at that, legends. Not bad. What do we got? And anyway, another cool tool, Julie, that I discovered with CoinGlass. So they have this one called Token Unlock Overview.
Oh.
And man, it's so interesting. Like 8 coins in here. They have a 1.6 unlock coming freaking the 16th today at midnight. And then you can also kind of scroll down. Like Pangu has an unlock coming now, equivalent market cap value 1.1%. And it goes in order. Here's Aster, unlock coming out 3.3%. And this one's really surprising. I actually had to fact check this one because it's so large. Ondo's having an unlock on the 17th, so tomorrow at midnight. It says 61% of its total market cap is being unlocked. And when I went into CMC,
yep,
they showed 30, or maybe it was like 20% of token unlock happening. Like I just thought that was wild. I was like, unbelievable. I was like, Ondo has that big of an unlock.
Thank you.
And if you actually go and look at Ondo.
Hi, Poan. Hi, Chipper. Hello, everybody. Wick's wife. I saw you all in here. So excited my crew turned up.
Yeah, right? Go to the unlocks. They actually unlocked in chunks. And what's really interesting about this is like when it started dumping last year is on this when this unlock happened. So we're literally chunking where are we at? We must have just hit this unlock. Oh, yeah, we just touched it. So we unlocked 16% on Undo. And I was like, holy cow, that's a huge, massive unlock. huge. I wonder if it's in the top losers. It's actually up today. Wow, it's up 1.1%. That's a lot of inflows. But nobody dumped yet. You know, but I was just like, unbelievable. Melania's having an unlock. I don't recognize all these, but I like to just kind of scroll through.
Wait. Did you just say Melania was having an unlock? Like,
Yeah.
is she getting ready to dump more of her tokens on the market?
No. Baron is. Baron is
Oh.
getting ready to.
Oh.
I don't even think Melania knows what crypto is.
Yeah.
Crypto, I want one. They're like, it's not physical. Oh, I thought it was like a purse. I've seen people with Bitcoin necklaces. You know, that's probably how that entire conversation went. Well, we know somebody that can make it. Oh, okay. Top gainers and losers for the day. Where do we recognize? Axie up 30%. Let's go, Axie. A lot of gaming. Zebek protocol. Everybody loves the Zebek. Up 16%. Jelly My Jelly is up 14. Blue A. I don't know if I recognize a whole lot more of these. Ronin Network. Ronin Network had that mass pack last year. Maybe it was 2 years ago. It's so long ago. Quant up 9%. And the biggest losers, Canon Network, ICP. Well, ICP was up 28% today, so was that no surprise? River, Monero's down 11%. It's actually a pretty down day for it. There's a new coin called
2AA2 says Parachain, by the way.
Parachain.
What's Parachain?
I don't know. I never heard of it.
Oh, I've heard of Parachain, yeah.
I heard of Parachain with a F.
You haven't heard of Parachain though?
No,
with a B?
Not really. No,
Oh.
I don't think I have.
I mean, there's so many of them.
Liquidation map.
They had like the girls with the big bear heads on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Don't remember that. Well, we got
Their
a lot
marketing campaign fell flat on you.
Yeah, right. You missed me. I was cracking up, man, because like all these orange candles right here, 100x leverage plays. I'm like, man, that's crazy. Because you had done 100x, it moves like a point percentage, and you get liquidated. So the fact that these people have these open 100x leverage trades, and then they have these stacked orders, so they can't get liquidated. So it's always filling, and it's always going like this as they kind of keep it up, and that's how you get those massive liquidations in the market. Like right now, look at the long, so stacked at 5 billion. Like it only has to go back a little bit, and just all that liquidity gets wiped out. Craziness in the market. But let's jump over to crypto.
Man said, "Send me a gummy ASAP." You guys, I told this story on my channel on New Year's. I gave my boyfriend some gummies, and he's not really much of a pot smoker, but he'll smoke with me once in a while. And he ate this gummy, and he was like, you know, when you're like twitching and having like an outer body experience, and like he was like worried he was gonna drown if he tried to drink water, you know.
I've been there.
Yeah. It was it was a bad way. So yeah, Po Man, my gummy, it's those are gnarly.
I've had half a gummy in my entire life, and that's the only weed I've ever had. I just really prefer this, you know.
Yeah.
I had one gummy. I didn't have a gummy. My friend, he's such a funny guy. He's this vegan neighbor that had chickens as pets. And me and him were the coolest homies. And he's like, dude, he's like, you gotta try this weed. And like, I don't usually smoke it. But like, okay, well, I'll go over there. We're having a party, you know, at my place. And I go over there for a minute, and he's like, check this out. And like, he was telling me how he like puts in this can, it's non-pesticide, whatever. And he like opens up the lid once a month and closes it, just give it some air. And man, when I smoked that, it was like, I breathed it in, and I could literally just hold it there the entire time. Like it didn't need to go anywhere. It was so smooth. And then I got done, like, dude, I think I'm having a panic attack. Like, what the hell was that?
Yeah, right.
And then I go back over to my house, and I'm trying to, like, cook burgers. And I get this one, I'm trying to eat it, but I can't breathe and swallow at the same time. So I had to, like, chew it, like, chew it just fast again and swallow it. I'm like, woo! Time limit right there. Like,
Julie, you disappointed someone in the chat.
I know, Dutchie, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Dutchie. I thought he knew. No. But Chipper said scheduled 35 shrooms chocolate bars are from Cali are the shiz. I think I have tried one of the chocolate shroom bars thinking like, oh, this ain't gonna be shit. And I took one of the little squares, and all of a sudden, like 45 minutes later, I'm looking at my phone. I'm like, I feel like I'm tripping. Oh, yeah, I had that chocolate. And I'm like, man, if I took like 3 of those little chocolate squares, I'd be like seeing little rainbows. No, I haven't done that in a while, though.
I've always wanted to try those gas station mushroom gummies. Are those any good? You seen the the mushroom gummies, and they sell them at like 7-Eleven or Chevron. And I'm like, I don't feel like these are really good because I'm at a gas station, but I kind of want to buy them just to try them.
It's like some weird, it like skirts around the legality to
It's
be
like
able
buying
to
like
sell.
those Rhino Viagra pills at the gas
Yeah,
station.
exactly.
You're like, I'm sure this is probably Viagra. And it's
Do
only
not
like,
you?
they
I've
want
actually heard
$22
that
for it.
Daniel Kaufman is her boyfriend.
That who is my boyfriend?
Daniel Kaufman, this guy in our chat that everybody hates.
Oh
Literally-
no, you're gonna give me him? You didn't give me the guy that everybody picks last for dodgeball? What the hell? Some VIP treatment I get around on the Blockchain Brew show.
Hey, our whole
Freaking
chat
hell.
hates this
It's
guy.
okay. He's young.
He comes in the chat every
He's
day.
young.
asking-
Oh, good. I get to be his mommy. I get to fulfill his mommy fantasies. I can be his sugar mama. And be like, come over here. Give me a little motorboat. Oh, gosh.
Oh my gosh! I hope Dana Kaufman comes in tonight. He's something. He's something else. Oh, that is for sure. I've never met such a unique individual on the internet. He's probably worse than Pepe.
Oh yeah. He comes in every day asking to chart Dash, and he'll just say dash 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 in the chat. But then, if you say anything that he doesn't want to hear, he's like,
Yo, automatic cocksucker.
yeah. He starts getting
Like, that's what his automatic
explicit.
response is.
He starts getting super explicit, like F your mom, and like,
Oh,
you know,
no.
and I'm gonna, I'm gonna come everywhere.
It was
Like,
that
it's just
way.
like, yeah, he's like,
Whoa. That's crazy.
and then like we keep him around though because everyone else in the chat, they start their interactions start going up because they're like, oh, Daniel's just mad because he bought the top on Dash.
They're all fucking with him.
Yeah.
Freaking 288. When I ate that burger, bro, I remember my neighbor coming over and he was like, he had like these sprinkler systems to keep the chickens cool. And he's like, he has a shaved head like Uncle Brian's like, come over here and just feel the sprinkler. Like, it helps calm you down. I'm like over with my hand. I'm like, that's not calming me down, man. Like, I don't know what type of hippie shit you gave me. Hey, not calming me down. Oh, it was good times, man. I missed that. Yeah, he's a good guy.
So what's Market Cypher saying about Bitcoin?
All right, so 15-minute shows more pressure to the downside. We just broke below the 21. You guys are making me laugh so hard I can't laugh. I mean, couldn't talk. Still can't talk. On the 1 hour, you kind of have a little bit of like a inverted head and shoulder pattern kind of peeking its way in there. But the one thing I'm worried about is that we're starting to get that rounded top right here, and that can make a nasty trigger wave to the downside. We have our BitFi VIP signals, and they called a short this morning at 95.5 to 91K. When we come to the 4 hour, disregard the other two time frames. The 4 hour says we could be lining up for a tight trigger wave to the upside, and going off statistically, you could take this as a long and take that trigger shot. And you may or may not hit it. Like the previously 4 hours can pull numbers. Like here's a previous 4 hour trigger wave when the money flow is low. Boom, right here. I mean, we ran up from 87,000 and we didn't stop till we hit 94,000. So this trigger wave could play out. Money flow is low. It's not confirmed. We have the 2 hours and we're below the 21. Back here, we were just below the 21. So it could happen. Like it could happen. The 12-hour shows more pressure to the downside, so you kind of have a little bit of ebb and flow against you. But the money flow is very nice and thick, and the VWAP's it's not angled down; it's just below, kind of plateauy right there. And the strength is kind of got a little bit of curvature. So well, maybe. I mean, we got 1, 2, 3 rejections off the 200, and when we fell down, we really didn't fall down to a low support. It was just kind of like bounced, came right back up. I guess that really depends on the liquidity of the longs. The daily is red to the downside. Rejection up 50-50. I think we're coming down. You want me? I think we're coming down to like at least the 91, 7, 92, 4. I have to come here. You guys are laughing too hard. What are you guys laughing at? I think he's your position though. LOL. You
Oh man is killing me. He says I'm green. He's calling me Jolk. Oh, that's great. I know. I can't stop laughing. I don't know. I tried to mess with the settings.
Mark says it's a vegan moisturizer.
I am broccoli based. Oh my gosh, that's great.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. Trent, you want to cover something? Or Julie, you want to cover Bitcoin?
No, I'm good. You can cover
right.
Bitcoin.
Trent, you got it. Pick a point.
Cover something else, T-Square. I'm trying to update my stuff right now.
User contact information. Let's cover my favorite point.
Unmess with the settings, he says. Make it so I'm not green any longer. I wasn't green earlier. I guess I could mess with my light. I don't know.
Are any of you guys night fans? You like night, Julie?
I have some.
Did you
Now
get
I
it for
feel
free?
like I'm more yellow. I got the airdrop.
Oh.
Airdrop.
I didn't get it because I don't think it's worth having. But
Damn.
the 15 minutes says more pressure to the downside, Stokes, strength coming down, VWAP coming down, money outflow coming down on a night. The 1 hour, we have a trigger wave to the downside. Nice heavy blood candle coming through, cutting through the 21 and the 50 on the 1 hour. The 4 hour, the money flow has been coming in. So, maybe we'll get a double bottom out of this. That'd be kind of nice. Maybe you guys could get to breathe a little bit, come up to the 21. The 6 hour, the 6 hour looks pretty good. 12 hour also says, we should get a little bit of a breather. They've earned a little bit of a breather. I mean, it's been pretty bad. The only way it's coming down is to get a little bit more manipulation. We're at a little bit of resistance over here, so hey, that's not too bad. Let's get a bounce up to the 21, just enough to make you guys get all excited again. Come up to the 7-cent level. The daily does want to get reversal, and we are getting close to that 50 MA on the daily. So you know what you know. Let's take a look at Dash. No, this is Zabek. It's been a long time since we took a look at Zabek. Zabek has been pumping today, one of the top pumpers. Let's get into some Zabek. All right. So the money flow, I think it will continue. Now, immediately, I think it's going to continue on the 15-minute. We might get a couple of red candles before it continues, but the money flow is so dang thick right now in Zabek. We are getting a little bit of bearish divergence coming in on the smaller time frames with a swing up to a swing down, okay? But money flow is still good, so I think it's just be a minor pullback. Stokes and strength are high and hot. The 1 hour money flow is still pretty good. We did get a red dot to try to get a little bit of cool down, but we have not gotten there yet. The 21 is so strong to the upside. Come into the 4 hour. The 4 hour money flow has increased and the VWAP's coming down. We did crush the 21, crushed right through the 50, guys. It's playing out full flag breakout, dude. I like this bilateral triangle we have. This 12 hour shows, hey, we're above the 200 and it might just might continue. And I like this movement too. So we measure the top to the bottom of this flag pole. We bring it up. We could go up above the 200 and keep on pumping a little bit. So we shall see. The daily also looks good to me. I think we are coming up to the 200 to at least 36.7.
So you think we're coming back, yeah?
Wait, where did Trent go?
Yeah, he's gone.
Oh no.
It's just us now.
I think he's still there. Like, look, you don't see him? Look at him. He's right there.
Oh, no. There he is.
He's blurry. Nope, he's right there. Nope. See?
Oh, he's
Fred,
like...
stop messing with us. The 200. I think we'll come into this 200. Yeah, on Sebek. I think we'll break in above. The 200's breaking above on the 12-hour. The daily looks good. Money flow is increasing. I think it just looks pretty nice, you know. And we also have a green dot on the weekly for straight fire. Trent doesn't wear pants. No, he only wears Crocs. It bothers me. You know, to this day, I've never put a single Croc on my foot because it worries me. I don't want to become one of those guys. I'm not a Croc wearing guy.
I would have never normally had Crocs, but my son had a pair and he grew out of them rather quickly. And I was like, oh, I'll wear them because, you know, yeah.
I saw this
well,
funny.
Hello there. I am the green candle, by the way. I am the green candle.
You are the green candle. Hey, now the Beck looks good, man. I like this. This looks good. Nice, Sean. Sean says he is rocking 300 G's of the beaks.
Nice.
I prefer clogs. You know, those are kind of expensive and hard to find, man. I would wear those. That would be kind of dope. I don't know if I could wear them forever. My feet might fall off.
Yeah, they're dangerous. They're not good in like rain or anything, too. Hi, Mike Volmer.
Wait,
welcome
or,
to the chat.
Or clogs.
The Crocs are dangerous in the rain.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
There's like no traction on them.
Croc sport mode. Chipper says.
Yeah, sport mode. Yeah.
No, I'm not. I usually when I have to like go outside, take the garbage out, I look at the shoes right there. I'm like, my wife's shoes are right there, her sandals. I'm like, I could kind of get like half a foot, and then I just kind of tiptoe my way to the garbage can and kind of wing it. Yeah, and if you see another guy out there doing the same thing, you know, the likelihood of him wearing his wife's sandals too is pretty high. So you're pretty okay to do that. But I don't know, man, if I can sport a Croc. It'd have to be a pretty unique Croc. And I have to get the ones that have the fake toes you can stick into them.
Ew, those are so gross.
You don't like those?
No.
Oh, it's perfect. That way no one has to look at my Crocs. They will know how to acknowledge them. Surely Ondo pushed 40 cents today before he decides what to do. We should take a look at Ondo. We were pretty bearish on Ondo last time we took a look at it. It's up like 1% today. Oh, Ondo. Do you like crypto.com, Julie?
Yeah, I use it as my on-off ramp.
Me too. I love crypto.com.
Oh, have you gotten your 1099 DA yet?
No.
I'm sure I'm going to get one from them.
Yeah, probably.
So I'm not looking forward to it.
No, I had a friend. He paid for all his veneers with Crow, and he's like, taxes were brutal.
I bet. Yeah, you got to pay for those teeth twice.
You're right. I was like, yep.
Bye, Chipper. Have a good night.
Hey, later, Chip. I'll talk to you. You
Hello, Adam.
Subscribe to us, right?
Adam is here. Hello, Adam. Adam just subscribed to me on X, which is awesome because that means he's a paying subscriber.
You can subscribe to us too, Adam.
Yeah, he's gonna expect some spicy pics, some spicy banana pics.
Oh man.
I am sorry. I didn't mean to put you on blast, Adam. I did it.
I thought it was hilarious.
That's the last time I go on her show.
Yeah. Go me, only for T-Square. Oh, shoot. Okay, where are they at? Ondo. Wow, Ondo's actually doing pretty good. You know, I didn't expect this, and we broke up.
Broke out, yeah.
We stayed above the 200, and we're flying with the 21. Like, what the hell that came from? VWAP looks good. Momentum still looks good. Now, if we, for whatever reason, this 15 minutes gets a nasty candle, we break back down to 200, I'd be a little concerned because I don't want to get a double top. But the momentum looks pretty damn good right now. We'll find out in 2 minutes where it actually is at. The 1 hour money flow has a strong increase. The VWAP, this is yellow banana zone.
We love the banana zone.
I named the view out the banana zone now. So the banana zone has a slight curvature to it now. It looks pretty good. The Stokes RSI low strength is coming up. We have a good candle. We bounced off to 50. Dude, Ondo looks pretty great, to be honest with you. I was pretty bearish about it before. I think it came down to my levels. Because I called in the middle of this support because that's where it's like all-time low is at. Where am I at? But momentum's coming up good. I like that. We actually have some bullish divergence coming on into Ondo right now with a swing down to a beautiful swing up. The banana zone's bending to the upside. Stokes RSI, a low strength is coming up. Let's get it, man. We're coming up to the 21. Absolutely, which is not huge. I mean, that's 384 to 3932 minimum coming up to this 21. Now we can hold this momentum. The money flow keeps going, and you can say this is the bottom. You mean we can come up to the 200, which is just shy of 40 cents. Let's take a look at the 12-hour. The 12-hour, we got the first candle. We have not got a green dot. There's no bullish divergence, but what we do have is money flow is going from deep red and shrinking. Stokes and strength have a little bit of curvature to them, which is a beautiful with the banana zone coming to the upside.
Banana zone.
Banana zone. Get after that. Get it while it's there. When it's gone, it's gone.
Pretty much.
You know it, man. Let's see here. What else do we want to take a look at? I always like to try to find things that are going different with the market. So a lot of the times, like I come over here and I'll take a look.
Find an
at,
outlier.
Like the top 100 and kind of figure out like ICP's down. Like, that's gonna be a good one. See if there's some gains to come out of it, or if we're gonna, flag up on the weekly. Monero. Mr. Monero. No one tell Tom Crown Monero's down. Another good one, Trent, we could do is Dash, because what if this is the peak to Dash and it's about to flip flop down on itself?
I'm laughing at the chat. He thought Brian is always pissed. Brian is always pissed. Brian is not in the best time zone for all of our fun.
Sounds like Daniel Kaufman. He's probably in his bedtime right now.
Right.
Is that who you're trying to fix me up with in the Discord?
Yeah.
That's my boyfriend?
Yeah.
The guy nobody likes?
Yeah.
Trent, you planned that one out, didn't you? No one tell Daniel Kaufman until he shows up. Hey, Daniel, just so you know, we found you a woman. Hopefully it calms you down. Dude, Dash on the ICP on the 15 minute has been freaking flying. Holy cow. It did break below the 200 on the 15 minute and we're below the 21 right now, which makes me a little uneasy. Money flow is pretty thick to the downside. You could make the argument that we are in a reversal just off the 15 minute because you got the swing, almost double top, like swing down type pattern going on. You come into the 1 hour, not good. Not good. It looks like it is in the dookie, man. It looks like it's eyeballing $3.55 on the 1 hour. If you look at the money flow, I mean, look at this. You can't get any more Class A style money flow coming down. Boom, 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 boom.
Trent, look at the chat. They all know him, and they're like, we had to put him in a timeout.
Wait, Daniel Kaufman, AVAX? What?
The AVAX guy.
Okay, guys, here's the thing. He has moved on from whatever chats you guys were in, and he's now in our chat, and he is not an AVAX guy anymore. He's a Dash guy.
Yeah, you should tell him he's an AVAX guy. He'll lose his freaking mind. We told him he bought the top on it, and he was like, no. We're like, you should sell it. You should not sell it now because it's near the bottom, and then he sold it.
Last night he was saying that he was, or we were telling him to because the price came back to his entry on Dash because Dash pumped so much. We were telling him, dude, take that as a win, get out, and DCA into AVAX at a lower price. And I was like, I was saying Daniel likes AVAX too. He was like, I don't like AVAX. I'm like, shut up. Yes, you do. You were just a month ago. You were just all over it, but
yeah. Oh man,
that's awesome.
That's so funny that everybody knows Daniel Kaufman. He just jumps from YouTube to YouTube streamer. Oh man. Trent, I'm feeling like I short the crap out of ICP right now. What do you think? I mean, that to me looks pretty gross.
I agree.
That's a screaming short. Even the 4 hour, oof. Look at that momentum. Look at that red dot right there coming in for that short. It's really calling it on this green candle. Boom, you place your short. That green wick would have kind of freaked you out. But it never got the green dot, never confirmed it. And we just came back down, man. Came back down while falling through the 21. 6 hour looks like it's coming down to the 21, like 385. Like minimum 12 hour. I'm saying the 12 hour also says 385. Got the red dot right there. Yeah, I think it's going to take a little bit of a breather. The daily has a red dot now. It is going to retrace. It has to pull back a little bit. I'd be surprised. If it was like thick, and the money flow was up over here in like the 55, 49 range, I'm like, okay, this red dot could be invalidated, but I would feel very cautious on that red dot. Where's Dash at? Dash. We told Daniel Coppin to sell Dash. I was so happy, dude. I drew this drawing. Did I erase it? Oh, no, not my paint pen. I need to get off this. Because I drew this bad boy. Such a good line. Where is it? I'm going to remove this because I don't want to remove it just because I'm so proud of this. I had a couple calls this week, and I was dead on balls accurate, and I love being dead on balls accurate. So I had these lines. I drew it on like, I don't know, like this was like, this is the 26th. So I probably drew these the 26th, whatever, Wednesday, the 14th. 2 days ago. Wow, that time flies. Anyways, I drew these bad boys on here. Maybe I drew it on Tuesday. And I said, come right up to this line. It did, dude. Came up. I said $85. And I told Daniel Coffin to take profit. So hopefully now he did, because it looks like we double topped and we are retracing. The momentum's coming down. VWAP's coming down. The money flow is still kind of iffy, but it looks kind of good. 12 hour got the red dot. Daniel Coffin, you better be here. DZ, what's up? Which decision is Marion a bag? DZ, these folks in here, they know Daniel Coffin too from their channels.
It's amazing.
Wait, so does Mike stream too?
Liquidity.
Yeah. I was just curious. Jesus had the liquidity.
Mike Vollmer.
Liquidity.
Mike Vollmer was a BitBoy mod. I believe. I don't think that he's does any of his own streaming.
Oh man, LMAO, dude, it's so funny, man. Daniel Coffin makes his rounds. Yeah, I don't know, man. To me, I think that was Dash's move. I would probably take profits. It's a good profit taking level. You might get more. I'll give it like a 10% chance of it breaking up higher right now at this current moment in time. Hopefully it does for Daniel's sake. Trent, why don't you cover Cardano?
Okay, I'll cover some Bitcoin as well real quick. I was
Did you see me crap all overnight?
No, I had some technical difficulties because my Lux algo isn't loading right now and it's not connected to my payment method. And I'm like, I don't know what's going on because my payment's fine, but it won't. As many times as I try to go update it in there, it won't take it. So I just got to call him and see what's up. So what I was doing was getting my chart back to my old,
method,
basic technical analysis setup. So yeah, I'll
Jimmy almost lost his mind on him 57 times. Who's Jimmy? Julie, who's Jimmy?
I don't know who Jimmy is. Yeah, that one.
I want to know who Jimmy is. Tell me. Fill me in.
So, guys, here we are on Bitcoin over here. So, on the daily, we had this
Jimbo Fett.
This bearish divergence right here on the stochastic RSI. The same bearish divergence doesn't show on the regular RSI, but it shows on the stochastic. And if you were to, I don't have Lux algo up right now, but if you were to look at the hyperwave on Lux algo, you would see the bearish divergence as well. Now, if you draw it on the MACD, call it by its government name, the moving average convergence divergence, then you would actually see the hold on. You would see the bearish divergence coming in on the MACD as well, right? You have the swing high, the swing up on price with a swing down on the RSI. So, or I mean on the MACD and on the stochastic RSI. So to think that this comes back down to the 21 period, the 20, in this case, the 21-day moving average, is not too crazy to think. I mean, we've had a very solid rejection off of the 100 MA, and to come back down or at least meet the 21 period moving average in the middle right here, that's not crazy at all. So, the real question is when we come to the weekly, what we have here is, a failure so far. Even if we pump up to 100 and reject, we have a failure to reclaim the 50 weekly moving average. And, we in the last bear market, we didn't even get under the 50. Granted, the 50 is so much higher these days, right? We've actually never seen at least for quite some time. Oh wait, no, that's not the last bear market. My bad.
Like they still think they're talking about Julie's skin.
I know, Man. Maybe it's my sunless tanner. I just thought about that. Maybe I am orange. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me.
We all have a special tint. Like Trent looks like he has a red lens.
He's the red candle and I'm the green candle.
Yeah, I look like I never get any sun. I'm all white.
You're the banana zone.
Banana zone. I'm the fun zone. That's what I am, guys. I'm the thing in between the green and red zone. I'm the unpredictable. What do you call that? Unpredictability. Whatever you want to say. I'm the random thing. You can never know when I'm going to go up or down.
Right.
That's great. That's expiration, Jake, Julie. Expert.
This is true.
Definitely closer to green.
So in the last bear market, you'll see that what we did here was we topped right here. By the way, just so that everyone knows, I don't believe in a traditional 4-year cycle bear market anymore. Okay, I think we're going to see cycles within cycles. They're going to get shorter. If you have diminishing losses, Bitcoin goes down 90% the first time, 80% the next time, 70% the next time. If we get a 50 to 60% correction, well, that takes less time to recover from. In the May crash of 2021, we recovered from a 50% dip in about 3 months, or it took 3 months to start the recovery. So, it's the more diminishing losses we get, the faster it takes to actually recover from that loss. So, I'm not saying we are in a 4-year cycle bear market. For the record, I do not believe that we are.
Oh, Trent, once when you're done too, DZ say THQ, please.
Okay.
Work at it. You gotta go faster, DZ. We have a banging comment section. I was trying to look over and see ya.
So we had a top right here coming in, and this is what happened in the last bear market, right? Price fell below. It attempted to reclaim the 50 period moving average right here, and it failed. Okay, so given that, well, where do we see ourselves coming in these days? Currently, we've lost the 50. Unlike this crash down to 75 last year in April, we've lost the 50 this time, and we are attempting to move up toward it. If we reject off of it, then we'll be doing the same thing we did in the last bear market. Lose the 50, attempt to reclaim it, ultimately fail, and then come back down. So, that's just something to be thinking about. Now, even if we go up to 100K, we're not reclaiming that 50-period moving average, and the 21 looks like it's about to cross underneath the 50 right there. So, things are not, looking good in that respect. And I think that my range here that I'm looking at is anywhere in this zone.
I gotta tell you, peace of mind. I gotta give you my best alien UFO impression.
And best case scenario, we
Why am I green? I don't look that green on my end.
Best case scenario, we double bottom this area at 75. So my range is about 69 to 75. And if I'm wrong, I think we come. I think maybe 64.
Great.
So there we go.
So you think we're in the bear market?
Well,
what we think is that we expected a pump to 97 to 107 range. We eject off it,
right,
and then we come down towards our local support on the weekly time frame.
I think we're in a miniature bear market, not a traditional 4-year cycle bear market.
I agree.
Yeah.
But in the stock market, anything under 18% in over 3 months is a bear market.
I'm thinking 60K is on the horizon.
You have to start thinking like that as Bitcoin matures as an asset. So we are in a bearish market.
Yes, totally.
Not a traditional 4-year cycle bear market. I don't believe.
Did I just see that our greed? We were like on the fear greed index. We were like kind of high on the greed, weren't we?
Yeah, we were.
Mm-hmm.
If you agreed. Hey, Trent, I'll go over THQ, but you have to let me go over, give you my best alien UFO ship noise. You want to hear it?
Yeah, let's hear
it.
What do you think?
Very impressive.
Yeah,
I am impressed.
I don't know how it came through on the mic, but on my side it sounded pretty good. Like a UFO flying over.
Yeah.
That's some great aliens.
The beautiful lady here is Julie from Julie Kennis Crypto. Give her a like and a subscribe over there. Or I guess your channel is just called Julie Kennis, huh? Not Julie.
Yeah, it's just my name, Julie Kennis. Yeah, and then I also do the Julie and
That's your real
Joxy
name?
show. Yes, that's my real name.
It's not a pseudonym?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
I just went balls out. Like, freaking, this is my name.
Also,
yeah.
I hate
Trent
Trent
always
this is
tells
not
people my name. I'm like, Trent.
This is not her actual skin complexion. Okay.
No, I'm not normally green. I don't know why I'm green. It's not easy being green.
On that fear,
prejudice, I
fear and greed right now.
Green lives matter.
Green lives matter. Oh my god. fear and greed's actually at 50 right now. Neutral. 50, smack in the middle.
Yeah.
Smack in the middle. Yeah, just like me, guys. You're green. He's red, and I'm the middle. No proofreading necessary. All right, I got you. Besides Trent and T2. That's right. I hate CCP. I hope you're feeling better at CCP. I know that you were feeling pretty sick yesterday. All right, let's cover THQ for it. Mr. DZ. Guys, if you're in here and in the comments and you want us to look at a coin, we will be more than happy to give you the best technical. We're not the biggest, the best, or the brightest out there, but we're the most hydrated crypto.
I'm the greenest.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, G-Square, I do have to dip though. We're still dealing with Molly's grandma is like, she hurt her hip, so we're all gonna see what's going on with that today. So
really?
Yes.
It's so sad, Trent.
I know.
We are. Yeah, I got a dip too. But thank you for having me on. We're all leaving you at once.
Terrible.
T-Square is holding it down.
Yes, guys. If you
T-Square.
if you
The
guys
green
haven't
girl
already,
is out.
If everyone drops a coin that you want to chart, he probably will stick around with you guys for a bit.
yeah, I'll stay in here, but you guys have to come over to our channel and sub to me so you can find me, and then I'll talk about whatever, guys. If you want to just BS, I'll love to BS with you. If you don't know our background, Trent and I both, I don't know if you guys might love it or hate it, but we both used to work for Bitboard Crypto, and now we're just kind of doing our own thing and starting our own future and building back strong again, guys. That's just how we do it. And I used to manage the Pluto Alliance community. I guess I still kind of do. And Trent used to be a script writer. If you ever seen Taylor Swift appear in any of Ben's videos, that was Trent. He just did that to see if he could get away with it. He is a Swiftie down in the deepest, darkest trenches of his heart. I've never met Taylor Swift. I don't care to meet Taylor Swift, but I'm glad that Trent has a friend in the dark web. But yeah, so
yeah, Mike. So the thing is, Mike, if you ever heard Ben referencing someone named Molly, especially on the new channel, that's my wife, Molly. So I believe it or not, and I can actually prove this. Give me 1 second. I, for whatever reason, because he, whatever, I don't know what's going on with him. He's not in a good place, I don't believe, but we, for whatever reason, I am still logged into his X and his YouTube, and I can prove that. Give me 1 second. Let's see.
Trent was Ben for when Ben was Ben also.
So if I go down here and I see there at the bottom, bam.
That's crazy.
Proof. and that's without having even talked to him after he's been in gotten out of the mental institution, restarted content, all that. I decided to, along with T-Square, to just do our own thing instead of writing content for someone else. He never had a bad thing to say. Actually, if you ever got his book, Molly and I have a section where the only people that he said anything good about. Now, that being said, I haven't had contact with him since the whole debacle, the latest debacle, because
he needs to take care of himself. That's just as simple as that. He has to get himself upright, and we're there for him, but he needs to be able to walk, I guess, basically. Oh, Julie just disappeared.
Here's my favorite crypto.
Where did I go? Oh, who did that? Who did that? I didn't push anything. That's so weird. I've gone alien mode. I'm zipping in and out now. Full alien mode. Mark said I still talk to his ex. Oh my god.
If I were to, anyway, I'm not going to go through all that, but I will say, I was writing all of his scripts toward the end, and I did write a script where, I believe the title of the script was called.
You should show it up if you had time.
Oh yeah, you know what? Here.
That was so funny.
I remember it.
I remember exactly that too. I remember watching that before I even worked for Ben at that time. I was like, somebody just got him. You could see because he chuckled in the middle of it.
XRP box office. Yes, this was it. Guys, so I am a Swiftie, and the thing is,
let me break it down. You lock on the left, home tap, home back. Seriously, stick around to the end of this video. Find out why this is just the beginning of XRP.
It seems like we're on the brink of a major collapse. I think it's almost undeniable.
The system has to switch. I think we're going to see a dramatic change over the next 10 or even 15 years. XRP is part of the heartbeat.
oh yeah, here it is.
Yeah, here it is.
Taylor Swift, Eras Tour was released to theaters on October 13th, last year becoming the highest grossing film in box office history. It will be dethroned when one day they release The Life and Times of the Bit Boy, the greatest crypto story in all the interwebs, but I digress. Until then, we're going to have to settle for a major XRP documentary coming to Amazon.
So there, I had a bet going on with people that I could get him to talk about Taylor Swift in a video, and I wrote it, and he didn't send it back to me and say, "Hey, take this out," which I was halfway convinced that he was going to be like, "What are you doing? I don't want to read this," but I don't think he looked at it beforehand. He just read it as he went. He got a chuckle out of it. You know, everyone got a chuckle out of it, and you know that's that. So there you go. So there's some proof of what we're
Background.
saying. You see her on the screen. You see her in my background, and yeah.
You're a Swiftie. That's awesome. That's great.
All right, well, you gonna go take care of your Meemaw, Trent?
Yes. You know.
All right, and Julie's gonna go fix her skin.
Yes, I'm gonna go fix the green. I gotta go wash the green off now.
Hey,
thank you for having me on.
Oh, thank you. That's also a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this.
Yeah, I'll come on anytime. Let me know. We'll make it happen again.
Oh, how about in an hour?
I'm
In
also
an hour? No, I mean not tonight.
Oh.
I'm clocking out. I've been up since 4 a.m. I took my mom to a colonoscopy at 5 a.m.
I got up at 2:50 to go take a dump truck to neighborhoods.
Oh yeah, you did post that. I did see you post that. Yeah.
You
All right.
probably would have passed me. I'm like, hey, look at that. Really?
I'm also a Cardano maximalist for everyone who just met me. So.
Yay! Me too.
Not me.
No.
I'm in the between. I'm not red. I'm not green. I'm very neutral.
Yeah, Julie needs some potassium. I need to go find a banana to eat. Yeah. Thank you all for letting me be here. I'll see you all on the next one.
Yeah. And if anybody wants to come on Julie's channel, come join us over here on Blockchain Brew, and I'll come and go over some TA and keep talking with you guys because I'm having a lot of fun. So, you know, you guys can go. You know,
Go check them out.
I got this.
Hers
them
will
the
actually
subscribe.
stay live if she's okay.
Okay, bye guys.
Yeah. Okay. Peace.
Peace. Where are you going? All right. I want to cover some THQ. Some THQ. Everybody needs a little THQ.
Cheers.
Cheers. Trent, what are you doing? Trent, no, don't go. Trent, no. What are you doing, Trent? Well, I'm still here, guys. So let's cover some THQ. Cheers, you all. Good. Thanks, Mark, for coming on in. Oh, man, and peace of mind. And I hope everybody's still here so I can all thank you guys all come in later because it would be dope. What do we got? THQ. Where'd my mouse go? It's over here. All right, Mr. DZ, THQ. It's still holding strong. We're currently above the 50 and the 20, or currently above the 21, just below the 50. We're trying to break it. We're snapping in between it. Check out to the longer time frame. The longer time frame says there's still momentum to be had. The green dots are saying it's good. Money flow is still kind of iffy in the red, but VWAP strength stokes also are looking okay. The 4 hour, we got a double green dot, which usually double the big green dots mark when we're at its maximum pain. As we had, oh, I guess I wouldn't get that one there. We had it here. Maximum pain, should expect it up. Yeah, it wasn't too far. What the hell? I just broke market cipher. I hate when that happens. I don't even know how to fix it. Okay, well, we'll go like this. Click like this. You guys are gonna come over to my account. We're gonna go over there. We're gonna load up Trading View again. We're gonna share a tab. Got to find THQ because I broke market cipher in the middle of it. Now and again that happens. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so the 4 hour, we look like we're at max pain, a good lowest support level we could be at. 12 hour, it hasn't given us the green dot saying that we bottom. We're getting pretty close to the VWAP breaking up. There's not a whole lot of data, but this would be either a new, this would be the bottom or we're creating a new low. Hey, what's up? What's up, Mike? Yes. So Trent said that he thinks that you used to work for BitBoy too, or you were one of his mods. Is that what Trent said? Oh, thank you guys. I see that we got subscribers 686 and 687. I'm assuming that is you, Mike, and somebody else from Julie's show decided to swing on in and give us some love and some support. What should we take a look at now? Man, it's so much weirder going in from like a party to now it's like slow. It's a lot slower. I was Ben's head mod. I thought I recognized you too. Yeah, I remember. That was good times, man. I loved being in that part of crypto season. Though that being said, that bear market was pretty brutal. Did you go with Ben to his new channel? I was this close to getting him on this week. I was really trying to get Ben on. I was like, Ben, you gotta come on our show. And I hit him up, and he's just not ready yet. He's close, so hopefully eventually he'll be on. Let's go with Cardano. No, did we cover Cardano? We might have covered. Yeah, we did cover Cardano. Did we cover XRP? XRP and Cardano have very similar charts. You were his butt slave, Mike. Too funny, guys. Mark and Dutch. Mark, you were also there, the subscriber that we picked up. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking out and hanging out with me. Keeps me going, man. Brings it back that energy. And it's nice to be able to see other people and faces to the space, being around in that time. My first coin was Dogecoin when I first got into crypto, and I didn't know where to go, and that's how I found Ben's channel. I used to work at Boeing, and I sat in the airplane and watched crypto because I was like, I'm up tremendously on my Dogecoin. What am I doing? You guys remember Kenny? Did you guys ban Kenny, or was that Ben? Did Ben ban Kenny? You know what? I'm gonna move this back over here, and then I'm going to pull up Crypto Bubbles, so we could take a look at something. We did look to the back. Let's take a look at Axie Affinity. Okay. Did you guys buy any gold and silver? Are you all in crypto? The freaking gold and silver have been so freaking hot. Ben Kenny, and yes, I remember that was classic. Rip Kenny. Yeah, Rip Kenny. Dude, I remember when Ben was so hot. He came in Pluto Alliance Discord and he banned like everybody. That was like the day like Pluto Alliance was like freaking out. You said anything. He's like, you guys are negative, dude. That was crazy. I remember when me and Trent went down to court in January last year, and we got to meet with Ben, hang out with him. Like I told him the whole story. Dude, he was like blown away, dude. It was crazy the manipulation that was going on in there. People saying one thing, and he was taking words for it because he didn't meet anybody online. He didn't know better. He was always friends with people. Dude, good for you, Mike. Good for you. I bought silver in 2012 at $14 an ounce. I just sold some because I had some expenditures. I wanted to hold it. I see gold. I see gold into 10,000 by the end of this year, and silver going to 150 by the end of this year, or maybe more too. Actually, it looks pretty good, man. Like I thought I could kind of prove it wrong. The money flow is not super thick on the 1 hour. We don't have bearish divergence though, and the actually red wave is moving up. It's kind of weird because it's kind of contradicting itself. But the 4 hour, we have the momentum still going to the upside. VWAP still doing good. Money flow still is actually increasing. Stokes RSI are doing good. We come into the 12 hour, money flow is also increasing, and we're a candle above the 200, which is a sign for bullishness coming into Axie. We swing into the daily. Look at the daily time frame. The money flow has definitely increased. By a large magnitude. The Stokes RSI are shooting straight up with the strength coming in. Wow. I don't think Axie's done. What price did you buy your gold and silver too? 2 day looks good, man. I think Axie is beginning to wake up. Look pretty freaking good, man. Eyeballing the $155 level. If it goes up to the 200 on like the 3 day, that would be a full on bull market. I mean, that's 375. That's like a 2x from here or more. Another one that's been popping up today was Engine and Sand, which I haven't seen those pop up for a while. Let's take a look at Sand. Is it starting to break out as well? Well, the 1 hour kind of certainly looks like it. Average price $17 for silver and $1,000 for gold. Dude, that's really good, man. Especially for gold. Gold. It's been a while since gold and silver. Let's take a look at silver and gold after this to see where they're at. Because gold, that was a long time ago, and gold was at 1,000. Like the 08 crash, really, right? Isn't that the 08 crash when it was last like $1,000? Sand's breaking up, broke through the 200, 21, and 50. It's doing strong above its this resistance level in the 1 hour. It's eyeballing price target of 14 cents. 4 hour, dude, look at that wick, dude. It's way above the 200. Look at that. It snapped up, rejection off the 200, and it's just on its way now. It's straight to the circus. Wow. VWAP looks good. Money flow looks good. Strength, everything's nice. Nice. Looks like this is just starting too on the 6 hour on Sand with a nice possibility of a good long. We just got the green dot in. Stroke strength still looking good. It is eyeballing a 16-cent price target, which is 10, 20, 30% increase from where we're currently at. Money flow doing good. VWAP doing good. Money flow strength. Dude, nice, man. I wonder if Gala's about to do the same thing. It's like some of these gaming coins are breaking up finally. Engine was also... Engine's such a wonky chart. That's okay. I also like Beam, too. Beam has a nice war chest. Dude, I kind of got a little rugged on Beam, dude. I bought into the hype back in, like, when everybody thought the bull run was on, like, a year and a half ago in May. Oh, such a letdown. You think Silver's going to hit 150? That's what I think, too. Let's take a look at Silver. What's up, Banana Republic? Why is Axie Infinity going nuts? I have freaking no idea. You know what we could do is we could head to X before we go look at Silver, and we can type in Axie Infinity, and we can go take a look. Axie Infinity. See what they have anything to say. January 13th. Doesn't really say anything. January 15th. Axie is a centralized core of Axie Infinity. So how does BAX, the new app token, fit into the economy design, and why is it important to every Lunatian? Well, it looks like they have a new coin come out.
We're calling this new app.
This is 50 seconds long. Let's figure out why Axie Infinity is pumping, and we'll do it together. Let's take a peek.
We want to make an app token version of AXS, BAXS, which is what we're calling this new app token version. AXS is obviously a big theme for 2026. We want to focus on AXS. AXS is obviously the center and the core of Axie Infinity. We want to make an app token version of AXS and slowly transition ecosystem rewards and gameplay rewards into BAXS, which is what we're calling this new app token version. And so with BAXS, you'll be able to continue doing the things that you do to earn AXS rewards, but BAXS will have a few very important key properties. You'll be able to earn it just like, regular AXS. You'll be able to spend it. You'll be able to stake it. And in fact, you'll be able to sell it. But the key difference is when you earn it, it's bound to your account. So you can't send it to somebody else. And when you trade it, when you go to sell it, there will be a tax. And that tax will be based on your Axie score. We want to make an app token version of AXS, BAXS, which is what we're calling this new app token version. AXS is obviously a big theme for 2026. We want to focus on AXS. AXS is obviously the center and the core of Axie Infinity.
Yep, it was on repeat. I was like, I think something's happening. Wow, that's why it's going absolutely ballistic. Basically, what you did with Homeland with MAX, going to get less rewards, get paid out, and BAXY just equal to 1 AX. Shake my head, probably going to be 1,000 to 1, but the way things are going, I could see 10K BXS to 1 AXY or some BS. AX Axie remains the core value, governor layer of the BAX utility participation without diluting the role of strengthening the overall Axie economy. You just control how will Axie flow to the users. Another short rug in making. Well, some people don't like it, but you know what? It's pumping. It's pumping. So, I mean, are you going to argue with that? I can't argue with it. Some people like it. At least they're trying to do something, I guess. I don't own it, but it's interesting to see it pump like how it is, and it looks like it's going to have continuation as well. Let's scroll up. Why is it actually? Oh yeah, that's what I think, man. Silver and gold. Let's take a look at gold. Gold clearly has been hot. These are the 12-hour candles, and you can just see these monstrous candles. Money flow is still thick. There was pressure come back down on this red dot to visit the 21, and guess what? We came back down and visited the 20. We're just about to visit the 21. We could actually come back down to the 52, a 44.39 on the 12-hour. What's the 4-hour say? 4-hour wick to the red. It looks like it's actually starting to get a little bit curvature coming in the reversal direction. We did slightly break below the 21. Daily also has a bit of bearish div. We got a swing up to our swing down. Money flow is still thick in the green. So you know what? I don't necessarily think that it's over yet. 2-day actually increased on its money flow. Green dot. Oh, the 3-day looks good. 5-day looks good. Look at the money flow. It's so thick, dude. It's not over yet, dude. It's hard for me to say just because look at it. Look at freaking gold, man. You telling me that I'm telling you that I don't think it's over, and it's just been an upward trajectory, like in the straight up line. Something's been going on with gold. I know China has regulations going on with it too, and it's just industrial metal, just like silver is, and that's one of the reasons why. Damien had a pause since what, 2022? Dude, Damien did have a pause since like 2022. Beam was the only one that I knew did really well in the year before last. Like Beam came out of nowhere, and it was strong. Now we get money flow is so dang thick. Look at the money flow wave. Like it's just this green wave. It's dipped right there, but it's just constantly going up. It might kind of do a dip and continue up. That's how I look on the 3-day. Let's look at the longer time frames. Longer time frames, dude. Look at that. Monthly is so scary high in the green, but it doesn't look like it is done yet. The 2 weeks also increasing in money flow. Like it's just absolutely wild. Like this 21 could just bend up, just absolutely bend up. The 21 daily average of like $64 in the next month. We come in the money flow. We don't even have a red dot. It's 95.9 to 95.7. Like it just doesn't want to go down. It's like it wants to leg up. And if it does leg up again on the weekly, I mean, we could be, what's my little line? We draw a line on this leg. I mean, we can see a price target of $104 by a spot by the end of, I don't know, let's say 2 weeks from now. 5-day, we're getting red dots, which is trying to show you that there's some pressure to take a break. I mean, it needs a break continuous for how I would look at it. It's just such crazy market cap and crazy speed of the rate it's going up. I can't fathom it, man, to be honest with you. I'm pretty happy with silver, though. Silver's performing well. Do we have any other coins to go over, guys, in the chat? My wife did come in here, and she's like, I need to check up on you to know when you're done. So I am getting pressed for a little bit of time. But I told her, I was like, hey, we're doing great tonight. It's just a fun show. We're hanging out. I'm like, I could just stay here all night and just hang out with my people. I'm like, I got family on the internet, too. SQD on the 1 hour. It has been pumping, hasn't it, DZ? I saw it was in the top gainers today. Red dot wants to retrace a little bit. Money flow still pretty thick. I mean, increase. VWAP is kind of breaking down. What's the 5-minute say? Ooh, interesting. Rejection off the 21. Maybe possible continuation. Let's get in the nitty and gritty. Ooh, trigger wave, money flow also increasing. It might be in a reversal and have continuation on this 1 hour candle. We might not get a double top, or I guess you could say triple top. Kind of scary. You when I look at this, what my mind sees is a swing down like this and come up, and I would expect to pull back to break that cup and handle and meet the 21 in that time frame right here. And then you could get that cup and handle. And say theoretically we do that, what we could see, we'll make a price target. If that does play out, up to this little bit of resistance right in here. Bada bing, bada boom, of 8 cents. That's on the 1 hour time frame. Now the 4 hour money flow is gradually increasing. Stokes are still low. Strength still has more to get in. The VWAP looks good. All right. Money flow increasing on the 6 hour, 12 hour. It is like straight up shooting up, man. It wants to come to that 200. I think there's still more to go to squid. It looks like it's breaking. I'm gonna erase some of my drawings in there. It does look like it's breaking out of this wedge. Especially we can. I think we can get to 8.4. That's looking likely. You know, squid's kind of been one of those funny ones that kind of does what it wants. We did get a trigger wave right here. Right there, money flow has been very well increasing, very strongly increasing. It does look like it's about to break out. I really hope it breaks out. We can come back up to the 200. That would be sick. That'd be really sick on the daily time frame. You know, maybe by Wednesday we hit 10 cents. That would be dope. 2-day, we also got a green dot. That's also a dope sign. 3-day, we have a green dot. Ooh, and we have a doji candle trend reversal. Very nice. Money flow is increasing. Ooh, man. I don't think we have any much more data to go through in the longer time frames. Squid looking pretty special on the 1-day, 2-day, 3-day time frames. The 12-hour still looks like it has more to give and possibly a breakout. River, yes, let's go. Let's keep the coins coming. Are there any bullish coins? You know, I've been kind of looking for it. We're entering into like the weekend though, so it's like not a lot of volatility. And I just kind of have to sift through the sand, you know, like you put the sand in there and you kind of shake it back and forth and figure out what's pumping, what's not pumping. You know, what's the standout? There was a coin earlier, was it ICP? I think it was ICP looks primed for a short. I think that's what it was. River's been on and off every single day. It feels like it's either up or it's down or it's up or it's down, top gainer. Where's River at? Did I move it in? So I must have moved it where it belonged. River. Here it is. $25. We got a red dot right now on a River. River does look like it has a possibly topped. Now we could rejection off the 21. I'm not feeling overly confident right now. In that, the 1 hour, the money flow, clearly you could see higher high, and it just gave it all back. Like there was no lower high. There was just V-shaped downwards action. Very cat ear like. We had the red dot right here, which by that point, you know, he gave up most of it before you even saw that and confirmed it. Peak and money flow right here too. And we start coming down, dragging down. We have an anchor trigger wave right now coming in with this green dot to that green dot on the 1 hour. The 4 hour, we haven't got the signal of the reversal yet. It's arguing in between the 21 and the 50, which is one of my least favorite spots to trade because you're like, it's bearish, it's bullish, it's bearish, it's bullish. Oh, look, now it's at the 200. Now it's really bearish, but now we're at the 200, it could bounce off. So, you know, it's kind of like one of those spots. It's not the easiest to predict, but when we swing into the 6 hour, you could also see the money flow. It's been gradually going down. We get these crazy wicks, probably huge buy orders that came in, which pushed River up. It didn't even get the hype back into the coin, though. That's kind of concerning to me. And we had a green dot fake out right here, which was this candle right here. I call them fake outs when we get green dots above the zero line. And I feel like the red dots above the zero line hold more weight than the green dots. Like those green dots can give more gains, but generally it means more downwards price action. We also have a red dot right here. And if hypothetically, if we didn't get those dots, let's just say we swing in like this on the hike and the sheet candles, you could actually make an argument there's bearish divergence to come down and retest the 21 at $16 on the daily time frame. The 2-day also looks bearish. So to me, THQ looks way bullish compared to River. River looks spent for the time being. The doji candle trend reversal, your price target $16 on River. That's what I'm thinking. You know, the 3-day hasn't claimed it's done, but the 1-day and 2-day, I mean, it looks pretty. Excuse me, pretty spent. 1-day, 2-day, both got the red dots, some bearish divergence. The 12 hour, we got the red dots. So you'll be fighting the 12-day, 1-day, and 2-day time frame. So, you know, looking at this too, what I would expect to see in the patterns is you got the double top. We might get a fake up, and then that's $20. If we keep coming down, I'm trying to figure out what $16 at. 16's right. Where the frick is $16 at? Right here. which happens to be the support level right here, right in the middle of its support. Yeah, so I think there's a likelihood of us coming down to this zone. Absolutely. Absolutely. Right here. Oops, wrong button. I always seem to do that. No, I don't want voice commands on. Let's say $16, 17. A little lower. Right there. H. Put a line right there. You know, we could reject off the 50, but I'm feeling like the lower level of support is a little deeper in the red. I do think that I think it could even come up to the 200. Like, I'm not super bullish on River. Dude, I have no idea what River is. Let's go take a look. Actually, I think we read it at one point in time, but I can't remember what it is. But I know it's been the top gainers, top losers, top gainers off those crazy ass wicks. Max supply 100 million. 100 million, only 20 million circulating, so 80%. Market cap is 1.2 billion. Very volatile coin. Like, it could give up, like, let me look at the dang thing, man. It came out in 2025, September. It's just been mooning right now. It's just crazy. It's weird because you got these two crazy wicks right there and these two crazy wicks. And it's interesting if you mimic like this right here. These two crazy wicks, I'm trying to show you without being on the screen. These two crazy wicks, and then it dumped. These two crazy wicks, and then it could dump again. So that's just something that kind of be similar. What is this? What news markets tokens about? River is the first chain abstraction stablecoin system that connects asset liquidity and yield across ecosystems. And it's not doxed. CEO Naka. Okay, we don't know who Naka is. At least I don't. At least not for that. Powered by the Omni CDP. Omni network. What's Omni, guys? What's the Omni network? Stablecoin SAT USD. River allows users to centralize assets on one chain and mint on another. That seems so dangerous to me. Collateralizes an asset on one chain and mint on another, natively earning leverage and scaling across networks. I mean, that would be kind of cool if it works. I can't wrap my brain around and how it even works. It just sounds too scammy. But I'm not saying it is a scam. It just sounds like a scammy to me. Beyond traditional models, River has pioneered Prime Vault and Smart Vault, which combine collateral flexibility with automated no liquidation yield strategies, enabling seamless multi-chain expansions. Well, that's what it is. When you go down and roll to similar coins, you see MYX, which everybody knows is kind of one of those manipulated coins. We have Humanity Protocol. I have no idea what this is. Brevis Network is also a new token that just got launched. The token is called Brev. Meteora. I think it sounds kind of familiar, but I have no idea what it is either. Folks Finance. That just sounds not great. And we have Audira, which sounds like is that Audible? Is that Audible before it was renamed? I think this is Audible, which was a great idea. Audible token unlocks. Whoa. Maybe it's not because it says Beat. Oh, this is Beat. Is this Audible? No. It's an AI native Web3 entertainment ecosystem that transforms how users play, create, and interact through music, dance. This has to be it, right? A generic creatability built around unified digital assets. Audira empowers users to move beyond passive consumption through intuitive gameplay and multi-model AI tools. Anyone can generate original music tracks and seamlessly bring these creations to the ecosystem. I wonder if they thought about AI music. They only have 9,000 followers. Is Audible still a thing? Maybe it's not Audible. What's it called? What's the music thing I'm thinking called? Audius. Oh, it is a thing. Audius. Wow. And Audira. It's Audia. Past Audius, which was previous token. Is this still a thing? Or did it get rugged? How many tokens are in circulation? No max supply. Oh, interesting. That's kind of gross, but 1.38, 1.38. Is it like staking? Dude. It's fully unlocked. Audience decentralized music stream protocol bill. Let's take a look at the Twitter, guys. Let's find out if this is still a thing. And now I'm kind of curious. Audience posts over here. Get back out. Share this tab instead. Hope I was on CMC with you guys. Audience. Are they still around? Are they still a thing? Why was I not at the top? 133,000 followers. 6 hours ago, top 5 trending tracks. It looks like they might still be a thing. Sad, dude. That's what they said. I wish I could go back to 2016 when sharing music was fun. What if I could told you there was a way? GM just woke up. What about you? Oh, well, they're still alive, I guess. Yeah, rugged, fully rugged. Don't know what I don't know. I don't know what I don't know. All right, guys, we're gonna thank everybody, and we're gonna sign out. So, thank you, DZ. Thank you, I Hate CCP. Thank you, Banana Republic. Thank you, Mike Bulmer, becoming a subscriber. It's nice seeing you again. Francisco Santos. So we are shorting the top of BTC, ETH, and Sol. Well, we just might. Mark Dutch, great meeting you. Thank you for also becoming a subscriber to the Brew Crew. D Not You, I Hate CCP. Thank you guys for coming on in today and rocking this awesome, fantastically fun show. 2AA. John Anchors, thank you for coming on in. Real Meta, thanks for coming on in. Cheers, Mark. Cheers to you too, sir. We're gonna do a stream sometime tomorrow or Saturday. I might do a long stream. It might be kind of fun to do that again. I just had such a great day with us today. Maybe I'll have you guys have you guys meet JJ Cryptic Corner. He's also a great YouTuber too. A lot of fun. Poman, thanks for coming on. Peace of Mind, thank you for coming on in. I gotta scroll through. John Newton, thank you for coming on in. Peace of Mind. Mark. Scrolling. I'm shocked when you see Daniel Kaufman. Jaxie Kosi, thank you guys for coming on in today, helping us kick ass and getting boosted in the polls. I Hate CCP, thank you for coming on in. I actually think I said your name twice. Just scrolling through. We're gonna have to make Mike a mod too. Just kind of scrolling. I want to try to make sure I covered everybody. DZ, thank you for coming on in, DZ. I hate missing people. Adam, thank you for coming on in, Adam. Got 2AA. Chipper, thank you for coming on in, Chipper. That's fun, man. I like talking to you, especially if you're like me. Maybe we'll meet someday in a crypto meetup down in Cali with everybody. Or maybe we'll go to Vegas or something. It'd be fun. It'd be a blast, man. Julia, thank you for coming on in, Julia. I know you already were here and you came and gone, but we appreciate it. Sasshole. Holy shit, the third guy's voice. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. John Newman, thanks for coming on in, John. I'm trying to get everybody, man. John Legend, thank you for coming on in. Wickswipe, thank you for coming on in. Local for Crypto, thank you for coming on in, Local. And we were crushing it today, dude, in the stream. Julie's liver okay. Blocky Crypto, thank you for coming on in, Blocky. Like, I've always told myself, like, I wanted to thank everybody before I signed off. And I know at some point we're just going to get too big where we can do that. But I really want to go out and try. Janerian, thank you for coming on in. Nicole, thank you for coming on in. Normos, thank you for coming on in. I think it's so funny that you both know. You guys all know Daniel Coppin. Lily Mai, thank you for coming on in. think I'm getting close to the top. I'm like really trying right here. So there, we made it. Yes, I thanked everybody. All right. Awesome. Hey guys, thank you on X. Smash the like. Thank you for coming on in. Thank you over here on YouTube for coming on in, and over there and Kicking Rumble, guys. It was a great show. I had a lot of fun. Glad we could go over things. Sorry when everybody got off. I wanted to keep going, but everybody wanted to leave me, man. And so thank you guys coming over, the Blue Crew, and keeping the chat lively. And guys, be blessed. We'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully we see you again. So peace out, guys. Later. Man, Trent and Julie, that was a great show. I had so much fun. Julie, your chat was so lively. Your people are great people, and me and Trent really enjoyed them. So thank you for coming on in. Peace.